Nag-celebrate kami ng Halloween party dito sa bahay namin with friends. Oh, I'm screaming around and my dreams in her. No, you should hide the words into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. Oh, naman, ay lagi kang iyan! Go! Dancer! For you to don't forget me. I bet I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts.
Zeg Baloo,
Ja,
hou jij ook zo van kerstliedjes?
ja.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Oké, zingen jullie mee?
Baby, I won't ask for much this Christmas. I just want you for my own, more than you could.
Here, my ear. And that doctor is gonna test it.
Is je helemaal... Is je helemaal drinken?
Drink it? They're gonna drink it? No! They're gonna test it. Test.
Waarom?
Why? Because maybe his mom sick. Oopsie.
Nee.
Diarrhea? No! Here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa.
Nee, hier.
Happy birthday to you.
Nee, ik doe maar.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Elisa. Sabi mo, sige, indulge lang. Lang sa
Ayan si Ian, busy siya sa paggupit ng paper kasi nagawa kami ng shoes for Santa Claus para mabigyan siya ng candies. At ayan, naka-outfit na si Ian ng Santa Claus or Santa Claus sa amin dito. Pumunta kami sa isang event kung saan magpapakita yung aming Dutch Santa Claus. ganito yung sa amin kapag winter, may fog, malamig. Tapos nag-a-icy na yung mga grass and trees and plants. At minsan yung lake. Cozy. Look at my labas ng bahay. May aquarium. Meron to. Meron to. Come up.
Mama, Shama, Taylor.
Yeah.
Ayan, tumubo na yung mga tinanim ko 2 weeks ago. Pero hindi pa lahat. Yung iba nag-mold.